Navigating relationships with narcissists can be a daunting challenge, especially for those who embody the Sigma male archetype: independent, self-reliant, and often misunderstood. Sigma males thrive on their own terms, often rejecting conventional societal norms, making them prime targets for narcissistic manipulation. However, armed with Stoic principles, Sigma males can adopt strategic techniques to instill a sense of fear in narcissists, flipping the dynamic in their favor. By cultivating emotional resilience and maintaining a calm demeanor, they can create an aura of unpredictability that disrupts the narcissist's sense of control. Stoicism empowers Sigma males to focus on their inner strength and moral compass, rendering them less susceptible to the narcissist's tactics. Rather than engaging in direct confrontation, they can leverage their profound understanding of human nature to subtly undermine the narcissist's confidence. Through calculated detachment and an unwavering commitment to self-mastery, Sigma males can transform their approach, asserting their independence while simultaneously diminishing the narcissist's power. This combination of Stoic wisdom and Sigma male grit not only fosters a unique form of resilience but also establishes a formidable presence that even the most self-absorbed individuals find challenging to manipulate. Number 1. Covert narcissists often evade responsibility for their emotions, which can leave those around them feeling overwhelmed and burdened by their emotional turmoil. The ancient philosopher Epictetus once stated that our true disturbance arises not from events themselves but from our perceptions of them. This Stoic understanding encourages us to differentiate between what we can control, our own emotions, and what we cannot, the feelings and reactions of others. When a narcissist attempts to manipulate our emotions through guilt or anger, they are exerting emotional dominance, which can lead to confusion and self-doubt. By embracing the Stoic principle of indifference, we can safeguard our peace and emotional stability. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that we possess authority over our minds, not external events, reminding us of our inner strength and resilience. If we choose not to absorb a narcissist's emotional pain, we effectively protect ourselves from manipulation and maintain our autonomy. It is essential to draw a boundary between empathy and duty, ensuring our relationships remain healthy and balanced. By encouraging others to take responsibility for their feelings, we foster their emotional intelligence, which ultimately benefits both parties involved. Establishing clear limits and communicating openly can help navigate these complex relationships while prioritizing our mental well-being. This proactive approach not only empowers us but also promotes personal growth, enabling us to cultivate healthier interactions and environments where respect and understanding thrive. Number 2, a critical skill in confronting covert narcissists is the Stoic practice of calmly exposing their deceit without succumbing to emotional entanglement. Stoics like Zeno maintain that wise individuals remain indifferent to the wrongdoings of others, not out of apathy, but from a deep understanding of human fragility and the complexities of interpersonal dynamics. The challenge lies in addressing the distortions and manipulations without becoming ensnared in their web of lies. For instance, when a narcissist disparages a coworker, a Stoic approach involves maintaining composure while presenting irrefutable evidence of the truth. This method, rooted in clarity rather than confrontation, enables one to highlight dishonesty effectively without escalating the situation into a heated conflict. Following Epicurus's teaching, it is vital to clarify rather than confront directly, which helps maintain a level of decorum and dignity. By reframing the situation and presenting the facts without emotional engagement, we can uphold our peace and thwart the narcissist's enjoyment in manipulating others. Furthermore, by maintaining a calm demeanor, we not only dismantle their lies but also compel them to reconsider their actions and motivations. This measured approach not only resolves the immediate issue, but also cultivates an environment of honesty and accountability, fostering healthier relationships and communication in the long run. In essence, embodying this Stoic resilience serves as a powerful tool in effectively managing interactions with covert narcissists while promoting a culture of integrity and trust. Number 3, Stoicism emphasizes the significance of reasoned argumentation and addressing situations with honesty. According to the philosopher Epictetus, every matter has two handles. When addressing a wrongdoing, we should focus on the constructive aspects rather than the injustice itself. When interacting with a covert narcissist, calling them by name serves as a means of confronting their behavior directly and personally. This method transcends mere nomenclature. It draws attention to their actions and serves as a reminder of their true nature. By openly addressing their behavior, we cut through the facade that narcissists often use to manipulate others. For instance, if a narcissist undermines a colleague during a meeting, a Stoic response might involve directly asking for clarification about their criticisms. This straightforward approach not only addresses the issue at hand, but also communicates that their manipulative tactics will be recognized and challenged. Over time, this method can shift the dynamics of interaction, fostering a culture of honesty and accountability, which may lead to a decrease in manipulative behavior and a more positive environment. Number 4, in a world where emotions often overshadow reason, prioritizing truth is crucial for rational decision-making. This principle underscores the importance of facts over feelings, guiding our actions and choices toward a more objective reality. By adopting a truth-centric approach, we enhance our integrity and credibility in both personal and professional contexts. To make rational choices, one must gather information from reliable sources and distinguish between objective facts and subjective opinions. This practice not only fortifies our decisions but also cultivates honesty and transparency in communication. A commitment to truth fosters stronger relationships and prevents misunderstandings. For example, admitting a mistake at work rather than concealing it cultivates a culture of openness. Furthermore, maintaining focus on truth equips us against emotional manipulation, making us less susceptible to deceitful tactics. This Stoic philosophy promotes a mindset geared towards objective analysis, encouraging continuous personal growth and learning. By prioritizing truth over sentiment, we create an environment where honest dialogue thrives, setting a standard that discourages manipulation and fosters mutual respect and understanding. Number 5, remembering your worth is essential in navigating life's challenges, where outside opinions, societal pressures, and personal setbacks often cloud our self-perception. It's crucial to recognize and embrace your unique value, as this awareness plays a vital role in maintaining self-respect, confidence, and mental health. Acknowledging your worth empowers you to make choices aligned with your true self and foster stronger relationships. Everyone possesses distinct traits, skills, and experiences that contribute to their individuality. Taking time to appreciate these aspects of yourself can be incredibly rewarding. Setting boundaries is another vital aspect of self-worth, allowing you to protect your time and energy while ensuring others respect your limits. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is equally important, as supportive relationships can significantly enhance your self-esteem, whereas toxic ones can undermine it. Practicing self-compassion, by treating yourself with kindness during mistakes and failures, helps cultivate a growth mindset. Consistently engaging in self-care, both physical and mental, reminds you of your inherent value. Ultimately, recognizing your worth isn't a one-time event, but a continual process that fortifies your self-respect and equips you to face life's obstacles with resilience. Number 6, disengaging when faced with attacks is a powerful strategy for maintaining your composure and protecting your mental peace. Confrontations, whether verbal or physical, are inevitable in life, and reacting impulsively often exacerbates the situation, leading to further conflict. Instead, choosing to step back allows you to exercise control over your responses, aligning them with your values and long-term objectives. Maintaining emotional control is crucial. Taking a moment to breathe and assess the situation can prevent regrettable actions. Not every confrontation is worth your energy, so it's essential to discern when to engage and when to walk away. Choosing your battles wisely means standing up for yourself only when necessary and with a clear strategy. Protecting your peace should be a priority, as constant engagement in conflicts can drain your energy and affect your overall well-being. If a response is required, aim for a constructive resolution, approaching the issue calmly to de-escalate the situation. Disengaging requires self-control and intelligence, enabling you to navigate conflicts gracefully while staying true to yourself and your principles. Number 7, sticking to the subject during conversations can prevent distractions and manipulations, especially when dealing with individuals who might lead discussions off track. It's common to get lost in dialogues, particularly when a covert narcissist tries to steer the conversation towards irrelevant emotional grounds for their advantage. Stoic philosophy offers a powerful tool for maintaining focus, the discipline to stay on topic. Following the advice of Marcus Aurelius, who urged us to confine ourselves to the present, can help us avoid getting sidetracked by emotional turmoil. For instance, during a discussion with a self-serving coworker, keeping the focus on project goals rather than personal criticisms encourages a more productive exchange. By maintaining the subject matter, you not only avoid the chaos of irrelevant arguments, but also promote meaningful communication. This disciplined approach can enhance personal and professional relationships, fostering an environment where clarity and purpose prevail. Consistently employing this Stoic method can lead to greater community understanding and improved productivity, ultimately allowing you to live a happier, more successful life as you prioritize what truly matters in your interactions. Number 8, maintaining firm boundaries is crucial in safeguarding your mental well-being, particularly when dealing with covert narcissists. Epicurus emphasized making the best use of what is within our power, which includes establishing clear personal limits to protect ourselves from external chaos. These boundaries function like a fortress, ensuring that our mental health remains intact. For instance, if a partner frequently undermines your decisions, it's vital to assert that mutual choices should be made together, thereby preserving your self-respect. In a professional setting, a direct response to a narcissistic coworker, such as politely reinforcing your commitment to agreed tasks, helps delineate your boundaries and discourage inappropriate behavior. Setting and adhering to these limits not only keeps manipulative tendencies at bay, but also creates an environment conducive to mutual respect and personal growth. Reflecting on areas where boundaries may be needed allows you to gain a deeper sense of control over your interactions. By adopting this Stoic mindset and clearly defining your limits, you cultivate a life enriched with peace, happiness, and self-respect while empowering yourself against external disturbances. Number 9, engaging with covert narcissists often requires a strategic approach to safeguard your emotional well-being. These individuals thrive on manipulation and often create chaos in their relationships, so maintaining a stoic demeanor becomes essential. To effectively navigate interactions, it's crucial to establish clear communication while remaining calm and composed. When a narcissist tries to deflect blame or create drama, respond with a grounded approach that emphasizes facts rather than emotions. For instance, if a coworker attempts to undermine your efforts in a team project, calmly present evidence of your contributions and articulate your goals without becoming defensive. This method not only highlights your professionalism, but also signals to the narcissist that their tactics won't disrupt your focus. Additionally, employing reflective listening can be a powerful tool. By repeating back what the narcissist says in a neutral tone, you create a space for dialogue that discourages escalation. This tactic serves to deflate their attempts at manipulation, reinforcing your position while demonstrating emotional intelligence. Over time, such consistent responses can alter the dynamics of your relationship, making it more transparent and less susceptible to their chaotic influence. Ultimately, cultivating this kind of interaction not only protects your mental health, but also fosters a more respectful environment that encourages accountability and authenticity in all your relationships. Number 10, cultivating self-awareness is a fundamental step in overcoming the challenges posed by covert narcissists. Understanding your emotional triggers and behavioral patterns allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. This awareness can be developed through regular reflection, journaling, or engaging in mindfulness practices. By taking time to explore your feelings and motivations, you build a strong foundation for recognizing when a narcissist is attempting to provoke a response. For example, if you notice that a particular comment from a coworker consistently affects your mood, identifying this trigger enables you to prepare a measured response for the future. Implementing this practice not only empowers you to navigate difficult interactions, but also enhances your emotional resilience. Moreover, seeking feedback from trusted friends or mentors can provide additional insights into your behavior, fostering a greater understanding of how you relate to others, including narcissistic individuals. As you become more attuned to your emotional landscape, you can set clearer boundaries that protect your energy and well-being. This ongoing journey of self-discovery is crucial in reclaiming your narrative, allowing you to approach relationships with confidence and clarity. In a world where emotional manipulation is common, embracing self-awareness serves as both a shield and a sword, empowering you to engage with others authentically while safeguarding your mental health. Thank you for your attention. You can now become a member of the channel by clicking the Join button under this video.